This is my hole saw I bought so I can install some recessed lighting that we've been meaning to do since we bought our house. It's the 6.25 circular saw attachment. I'm installing 6-inch lights. Works pretty well. All you have to do, I always start with like a little pilot hole, just so my drill bit is right on. And then right before I'm even touching the drywall, I want to go kind of warm it up and then slowly press in. Making sure I have equal pressure throughout. And eventually punch through.
And it catches all the sawdust.
And catches all the sawdust.